Hello children, welcome back to your geography class. Let's continue chapter 6 Human Resources under the heading Population Pyramid. Let's start. A population pyramid shows the total population divided into various age groups, for example 5 to 9 years or 10 to 14 years, and the percentage of the total population subdivided into males and females. Subdivided means again divided into males and females in each of those groups. Let's read out these conversation given in comic figure. Here this boy indicating towards the population pyramid, asking to the girl, "What is this triangular looking diagram?" The girl is answering, "This is population pyramid." In figure 6.6 you can see population pyramid. So by this conversation we understood that population pyramid is a triangular figure, or it is shaped like a pyramid, so that is why it is called population pyramid. Let's read out second conversation. Here again the boy is asking, "What's that?" The girl is answering, "It shows the present number of males and females in a country along with their age group." What is it? It is again the population pyramid she is talking about. So it means in population pyramid not only the male and female but also their age group is also shown. In third conversation again the boy is asking, "Can I play detective and investigate the population of a country?" Girl is saying, "Sure, let's study 3 countries." The shape of the population pyramid tells the story of the people living in that particular country. The numbers of children below 15 years are shown at the bottom and reflect the level of the births. Means showing the number of births. The size of the top shows the number of aged people, means above 65 of years, and reflects the number of deaths. The population pyramid also tells us how many dependents there are in a country. There are 2 groups of dependents: young dependents aged below 15 years and elderly dependents, they are aged over 65 years. Those of the working age are the economically active. So it means they are not working, others have to work for them, they are dependent on others. So this is known as dependency. The population pyramid of a country in which birth and death rates both are high is broad at the base and rapidly narrows towards the top. This is because although many children are born, a large percentage of them die in their infancy. Infancy means up to the age of 2 years. Relatively few become adults and there are very few old people. This situation is typified by the pyramid shown for Kenya in figure 6.7, and typified means presented or shown. In countries where death rates, especially amongst the very young, are decreasing, the pyramid is broad in the younger age groups because more infants, again the infants are in between age group of 0 to 2 years, survive to adulthood. This can be seen in the pyramid for India figure 6.8. Such population contain a relatively large number of young people, and which mean a strong and expanding labor force. Labor force means dependent people, they are less in number and the working class is high, means we can get the labor force high in number. In countries like Japan, low birth rates make the pyramid narrow at the base. Base means bottom. It is shown in figure 6.9. Decreased death rates allow numbers of people to reach old age. Skilled, spirited, and hopeful young people endowed with a positive outlook are the future of any nation. We in India are fortunate to have such a resource. Which resource? Human resource. They must be educated and provided skills and opportunities to become able and productive. Now let's summarize this topic. So we have learned that a population pyramid, that is also called an age gender pyramid, is a graphical illustration that shows the distribution of various age groups in a population, typically that of a country or region of the world, which forms the shape of a pyramid. When the population is growing, males are conventionally shown on the left and females on the right, and they may be measured by raw number or a percentage of the total population. This tool can be used to visualize the age of a particular population, and it is also used in ecology to determine the overall age distribution of a population, an indication of the reproductive capabilities and likelihood of the continuation of a species. A population pyramid gives a clear picture of how a country transitions from high fertility to low fertility rate. The broad base of the pyramid means a relative majority of the population lies between ages 0 to 14, which tells us that the fertility rate of the country is high, and above population sub replacement fertility level.